You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this confusing phrase. I love this word. It comes from French, Baroque. If you want to learn more vocabulary and names from arts, stay tuned, painters. I've got more videos for you. Baroque is the British English pronunciation, Baroque Art. The American English pronunciation is as Baroque Art. So, Baroque Art, British English, UK pronunciation, or Baroque Art, US pronunciation, how to pronounce in English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.